Right, so today we're going to see how to change this workflow into a Saas. This is a very cool workflow. It extracts all of a website's URLs from its sitemap for SEO analysis. So really cool to see all the landing pages that people are running, all the content pages that people are running. So I just imported this workflow into my area here, and let's have a look at it in production and see what happens. So we just grab the production link, open it up over here. Going to use this website, see what it gives me. So Revello is a platform for hiring technical talent cross-border and for AI data. Let the workflow run for a minute, and there we go. All right, as we can see, download successful. It's downloaded the hundreds of pages of URLs that are linked to the sitemap of that company. Super useful for SEO, planning, or competitor analysis. That's a cool workflow, but how do we convert this into Saas? Well, we're missing user registration, logins, we're missing payments, and we're missing tracking of usage. So what we're going to use for that is Biz Scaffold, a site that helps convert your N8N workflows into a Saas product, takes care of user reg, access, and payments. So I'll log in here. I've already registered with Stripe on this platform, but that's just a standard Stripe Connect registration. We're going to create a product. The first trigger is a form, so I'll open up with a form. And we're just going to use everything from this workflow to fill out the website. It's the product name. The link just comes from production here. Into the link. The workflow is simply this ID that's here in the URL. So we'll bring that back to the workflow, paste that in. And the product description, well, why don't we just get the template description, just because we're running this as a test. And no need for an image. So I'll create a product, and I'm going to charge let's say a combination of monthly and prepaid credits. So look, just to keep it super simple, I'm going to say $1 a month includes 10 credits, and another 10 credits can be bought for another $1. Obviously those prices would be more significant if we're building up a proper Saas. Hit save, and here we go. We have the product, the customer product buy page. All right, so let's just look at an incognito mode to see what customers or what potential customers are going to see when we redirect them to this product page. So paste in that link that we've copied from the product, and there we go. We'll see a product list which they can buy. That will be a standard Stripe flow. Payment cancelled, back to products. This is a demo account you can log in and log out of. So before we go ahead and buy that, I think that will be a standard Stripe purchase process. Before we go ahead and buy that, we're going to do two things. One is we're going to add our N8N API so that we can actually track usage of this product. And two, we're going to add a landing page. So the N8N API, we come to admin, there's an N8N API key. We need to go back to N8N, hit settings, find the API, and we're going to create a new one. I'll just call it Demo 11. copy that. Don't worry, I'll delete this at the end of the video and insert it here. Save changes. Excellent. So now it'll be able to track usage of that workflow. And the final step will be, let's create a landing page. Create a landing page that scans. All right, we'll just hit go and let Lovable do its magic for a minute. All right, looks like Lovable is finalizing the website, and there we go. Now the one thing that we haven't done is we need to link it to our products. So I just come to this product, I copy the product page, and I say link the CTA, the call to link to this product, this page. There we go. We hit publish, and we should be able to do a full customer walkthrough. There we go. Let's copy this URL. Let's go to this incognito to check out the full product flow. Nice landing page from Lovable. Links straight to our merchant sign-in. Let's register as a new customer. Registration done. Excellent. So I can log in and log out, obviously, from up here. There is a product for $1 a month, $1 for extra 10 credits. Going to have to work on that pricing. Hit buy now. And we have a Stripe checkout that will also monitor every time it uses the workflow. It'll go down 1 credit. First fully operating SaaS in minutes. Thanks for watching.